Do you know that the London-based tech firm, Nothing, had successfully made life easy for you and I? Guess what? It's the budget-friendly Nothing phone, 2A smartphone unlocked 5G Android phone, with a Dimensity of 7200 Pro, 50MP dual-camera cell phone, 6.7 AMOLED display, 5000 mAh battery and NFC black 12 plus 256 GB. It's specially made for you, so watch this video to see its unique features that made it stand out from the crowd. Costing just $434, the Phone 2A aims to take the cool design and intrigue that made its higher-end models stand out and package it up into something cheaper but still novel. The new model sticks with Nothing's cool semi-see-through design. It has a big, smooth and bright OLED screen on the front with a semi-transparent back allowing you to see its interesting design elements, including the glyph LEDs that Nothing has made its trademark. The rear LEDs on the back of the Nothing phone. 2A, view image and full screen. The 3 LED strips on the back light up in complex patterns in time to tones, alerts or for timers and charging. This time the phone is made of plastic rather than the metal and glass of the Phone 2, and the LEDs are only in the top section of the phone around the central camera module. But they can still perform complex patterns for ringtones and notifications, show the volume, charge percentage, timers and other fun things, such as a music visualizer. The phone feels smooth and well made, but the back plastic attracts dust like a magnet and picks up scratches fairly easily. Here are its specifications: screen 6, 7 and 120 HFHD plus OLED 394 ppi, processor, MediaTek Dimensity, 7200 Pro RAM, 8 or 12 GB storage, 128 or 256 GB operating system, Nothing, OS 2.5, Android 14, camera, 50MP main and ultra-wide, 32MP selfie connectivity, 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5.3 and GNSS water resistance, IP54 splash resistant. Dimensions 162 x 76.3 x 8.9 mm, weight 190 g. Today we're diving deep into the Nothing Phone 2A, the latest smartphone making waves in the tech world. This phone is turning heads, and for good reason. From its unique design to its impressive specs, the Nothing Phone 2A is a serious contender in the mid-range market. Inside the phone, 2A has a mid-range MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip, which performs pretty well for the price. The software feels snappy and smooth, apps load quickly and games run well. It can't match the performance of a high-end phone and gets pretty hot when gaming, but handles most tasks with aplomb. The Nothing has solid battery life too. The phone lasted a good 52 hours or 2 days between charges with general use, including several hours spent on 5G a day. Gaming dents the battery more than high-end rivals, consuming about 18% an hour playing Diablo Immortal for instance. Stay tuned as we break down everything this phone has to offer. This isn't just another phone review, it's your guide to understanding why the Nothing Phone 2A might be your next favorite device. We'll explore the standout features, the user experience, and how it stacks up against the competition. By the end, you'll know if this phone is worth your hard-earned cash. So sit back, relax, and let's unpack the Nothing Phone 2A. Is it a game changer or just hype? Let's find out. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the glowing glyph on the back. The Nothing Phone 2A takes its signature glyph interface to the next level. It's not just a cool design element, it's functional and integrated into the phone's software. The glyph lights up for notifications, charging status, and even acts as a fill light for photography. You can customize the glyph patterns for different contacts and apps, adding a personal touch to your phone. This is more than just a gimmick, it's a unique way to interact with your device. The glyph interface sets the Nothing Phone 2A apart from the sea of generic smartphones. It's a bold design choice that adds both functionality and flair. Love it or hate it, you can't deny that it's something different. Don't let the flashy design fool you. The Nothing Phone 2A is a performance beast. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, this phone can handle anything you throw at it. From demanding games to multitasking between apps, expect smooth and responsive performance. The phone comes with ample RAM and storage options, ensuring you have enough space for all your apps, photos, and videos. This phone is built for speed and efficiency, delivering a lag-free experience. The Nothing Phone 2A doesn't cut corners when it comes to power. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, providing a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Let's talk cameras. The Nothing Phone 2A packs a powerful dual camera system capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. From crisp landscapes to detailed portraits, this phone delivers exceptional image quality. The camera software is packed with features including a dedicated night mode, portrait mode, and more. You can experiment with different shooting modes and capture your world in vivid detail. The Nothing Phone 2A's camera is a testament to its commitment to quality. It's not just about megapixels, it's about capturing moments in a way that's true to life. Kindly click the link in the video description to get it at a promo price before it ends soon. Remember to subscribe to this channel to get notified of the next budget-friendly gadget soonest. Get ready for an immersive entertainment experience with the Nothing Phone 2A's stunning display. The phone features a vibrant OLED panel with sharp details and rich colors. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, the display delivers an enjoyable visual experience. But it's not just about the visuals, no. The Nothing Phone 2A also packs powerful stereo speakers that deliver clear and balanced sound. Enjoy your favorite music and videos with immersive audio that complements the stunning display. The Nothing Phone 2A is your portable entertainment hub, providing a visual and audio experience that rivals dedicated devices. Get ready to be immersed in your favorite content. Don't you hate it when your phone dies in the middle of the day? With the Nothing Phone 2A, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety. This phone packs a large battery that can easily power you through a full day of use. And when you do need to recharge, the Nothing Phone 2A supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up your battery and get back to using your phone. The Nothing Phone 2A is designed for real-world use. It's a phone that can keep up with your busy lifestyle without needing constant charging breaks. Let's talk software. The Nothing Phone 2A runs on Nothing OS 2.0, a clean and intuitive Android skin that prioritizes simplicity and speed. You won't find any bloatware or unnecessary apps here. Nothing OS 2.0 is designed to enhance the user experience, providing a smooth and enjoyable interaction with your phone. It's a refreshing take on Android that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Nothing OS 2.0 is a breath of fresh air in a world of cluttered Android skins. It's a testament to Nothing's commitment to providing a user-centric experience. The Nothing Phone 2A isn't the only player in the mid-range market. It faces stiff competition from the likes of the OnePlus Nord CE4, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and others. But here's the thing, the Nothing Phone 2A stands out. While its competitors offer solid features and performance, they lack the unique design and innovative features of the Nothing Phone 2A. The glyph interface, the clean software experience, and the overall attention to detail set this phone apart. The Nothing Phone 2A brings something new to the table. It's not just another generic smartphone, it's a device that pushes boundaries and challenges the status quo. Let's talk value. The Nothing Phone 2A is competitively priced, offering a compelling balance of features, performance, and design. You're getting a lot of phone for your money, especially considering the unique features that set it apart. The Nothing Phone 2A is a testament to the idea that you don't have to break the bank for a great smartphone experience. It's a phone that delivers premium features at a mid-range price. The Nothing Phone 2A is a smart investment for anyone looking for a stylish, powerful, and feature-packed smartphone without overspending. It's a phone that offers exceptional value for its price. So, is the Nothing Phone 2A a game changer or just hype? The verdict is in, it's a must-have smartphone. From its unique design to its impressive performance and features, the Nothing Phone 2A delivers a compelling user experience that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, offers top-notch performance, and doesn't cost a fortune, the Nothing Phone 2A should be at the top of your list. Don't just take my word for it, go check it out for yourself and see what all the hype is about. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this.